Hello there. This is one of my stock pigeons. I'm on my second round of young ones now. Second round of young birds. One of the young ones here. Yeah. Pure black one. Oh my. That's the dad. He's a bugger. Ah, he's got my finger. He just doesn't like me in his box at all. And he's his young one's the same. I just wish he was one of my racing team cocks. He's absolutely yeah. Yeah, they've got an egg in there. He just doesn't like me. They've just laid on their first egg. But, here's the other young one. He's a nice one as well, but the young one is brilliant. Sir Roland Jansen I brought in. The person who I had him off, he bred some winners last year. That's the parents. And these are the young ones, which is a bit crazy, really. Oh, red, sorry, red and white, grizzle. Crazy. Two more down here. I should get these parted off by the weekend, hopefully. Nice blue and a blue checker. Lovely young. Nice and healthy. We've got two young ones here. Had a bit, yep. Same again. I just wish some of these was on my race team. Got some empty boxes in here. This is the hen. This is the brother to one of my fed winners. They're sitting eggs at the moment. I've only got one in here, which I don't mind really, like. Not two. Moment. You've got two eggs down here. So you're nice and happy. I don't know. More in here. Lovely young. Pied, and by the looks of it, blue pied. Took the blue pied last time, blue pied cock, off the last range. This is the fed hen. She's a fed hen here. She's a federation winner. Black Country, bred by Alan Pell and raced by Alan Pell of Colsley in the West Midlands. So let's see if I can get some winners out. That's the sister to the fed winner, which is he's a fed winner here, the blue cock. They're just ready to get back, well, on the second round. These are just ready to the second round as well. These are on the first, or second round, sorry. A few more young ones in there. Another pair of Roland Jansens, bred winners last year or someone, in Tipton way. Just sitting two babies. White one and a blue one, I believe. It's a bit weird. I threw a white one and a blue one last time. Considering the white grizzles is a bit crazy. I don't know. But, you know. I'll just give them a good clean out. I'm waiting for the dinner. Anyway, I'm going to walk out this shed. Coming out this shed now. No, you're not coming out. Stay there. Stay there. This is my first round. All been fed. All happy. On the people boxes. Oh, I think it's about 7 o'clock, so I'll soon be going back on the dark. We don't want to darken them. Got the blinds here. Just drop the blinds down. Clip them in. Clip them in there. That white clip there. So easy. Blackout blinds are called. That's about it, guys. That's one of the. That's one out the Roland Johnson. One of the babies. The checker there is on. Got the view on there. I brought him from Blackpool. I got £20 each. So let's see. The Barcelona pigeon. Bred for distance. But, let's see. Yep. A nice bird amongst it. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching, and as soon as I part the second round, the second round from this shed over here, I'll get all the videos on. Thanks for watching. Bye.